welcome back, it's Louise. Today we are doing an unboxing for Globleland. They have kindly asked me if I wanted to show off some of their products on my channel. So this is a little haul that I got from them, and you can go to their website and have a look at the things that I've ordered if you like them, obviously. And there's a code that you can get 10% off. It is LOU10, LOU 10, and I'll stick that in the description and everything for you. I'll stick all the details there for you. So this is the website of Globleland, and as you can see, it's just this is the home page, and up here you have your country, so you can put in whether you're European, pounds, and you can search for specific numbers up the top there, or you can literally just look at all the collections, whether it's die cutting, stamps, whatever, and you can go individually to all the individual stamps. As you can see, fairy stamps, plants, animals, paper crafts, craft supplies. Let's click into wax seal products. There we go. And it shows you all the product. You've got a quick view or add it to cart, and you have the different headers down the side there for what you're looking for. So you just carry on down, pick what you want and add it to basket. They have got a sale on at the moment, as you can see up there. Click that off, that's your search button. Your basket is here, so you'll just add things in, continue shopping, and then check out. I'll go to the basket for you. Obviously that's empty at the moment, but if it wasn't, then you would just follow the instructions and go back to home. And that is it really. You can sign in or you can create an account. You have wish lists. You can email them if you need to. And that's the rest of the page. You have your new arrivals. And you can see the prices aren't extortionate. Plus there's for new customers are getting $5 off. They have a rewards program. And that's their best sellers. I mean, look at that, 80p for their coffee stained stamps. Let's see if I can find out what delivery is. So there's all your information at the bottom. You have your customs for whatever country you're in, refund policies, contact FAQ, shipping policy, which I'm guessing would be depending on what area you're in. Yeah, it tells you the times and the method. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. And the fees. And that is calculated automatically based on your shipping address and the weight of your items. And anything with batteries or nail fashions are restricted in the shipping, but I don't think they carry anything like that really. Obviously you've got your customs and your duty and all your other bits and bobs that could be helpful. So that's all down the bottom, and that's it. You just pick what you want, add it to cart, and you buy it. See, that's all the pins. I think that was the one I got. Yep.
And then you've got your corners, and then you've got all your little, you've got 5 colours of that trim there for that price. So there you go, that's just a quick look at the website to see how you can order, and we'll carry on with the rest of the video.
Let's get opening. It didn't take long once this was ordered. It didn't take long at all, a few days actually. Just taking off the address. I'll try not to do much rustling around. So the first thing I got was these little bird dies. They're called. They don't have an actual name on the. They just have numbers, which will also be in the description. So these are all different little dies. Can you see that? It's quite a nice one. And they're all different. There we go. And I'll be cutting them out in the next video so you can see what they look like. So that was the little dies that I got. Put them over there. And I got this because you can never have too many ball pins. Let's find some. Let's open it. Let's try this. There we go. And they all come well packaged and sealed up. There we go. Oh, and it's one, this is one big box, it looks like. Oh, they look quite good quality because some you buy are quite flimsy. Well, these are quite strong. Very strong actually. I like that colour, like an antique. And you've got the black, the gold, and the silver. Yeah, they're really good quality. That's great. They're lovely. I've got little tubs that I could probably put them in and probably put the dies in there. Put that to the side. Those tubs are always handy. Throw that in the bin. Let's do this one next. Sorry, it's noisy. These bags come in handy for when you're sending off journals as well. Reuse everything. Put them away. Right, and as you can see, these are the lace dies. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different designs, and they just, if you've never had any experience with the dies, they just clip off and then you break those little bits off. sometimes you need a pair of pliers, and then that's ready to go through on a bit of piece of paper, on a piece of paper, and go through your die cut machine. And that's it, you just break them all off and then misses. Oh, that's a nice one. They're all nice actually, and they could all sit in this tub as well. That's a nice dainty one. It'll be nice to see what they look like. So this video is just to show you what I've got, and then in the next couple of videos I'll be using things I've got. So nice, and I mean they're flexible enough to get in, but they're not like flimsy. So that's them. I've got a lot of die cutting to do so far. And the last thing I got was this. Get that out of the way. Stay. Oh, it looks like a little book. Oops, upside down. There we go. We have the wax melt kit. Well, toolkit really. Try and get this off. And they just screw off, and your other ones screw on. That's that one. I think it goes that way. I think that's a cat. Oops. Oh, look at that one. An owl. I can't cope with these tiny things. And oh yeah, I see it now. It's a bird on a tree. Nice. Oh, that one's a cat as well. Nice. Oh, it's another bird cage. It's a cute little box. And it's sturdy. And then you just screw them on, and we'll do some stamping on the journals. Yeah, and it's so easy to use. I'll show you. And we can just keep them stored in there. Oh, I wonder if that'll fit in. Will it? Oh, yeah. They all fit in there, so I can just put the handle there, and I don't have to keep undoing it. And then you could even decorate that. Well, that's a good idea. And then that way you know it's your wax seal box, rather than thinking, oh, what is it? Anyway, I'm rambling away now. So we've got the wax seal tool thingy, and we have the lace edge die cuts. Another one there. We have the bird die cuts. It's a bit of a theme going here, isn't it? And we have all the ball pins. So that's the unboxing. There's a couple of bits there that can keep us busy. So we'll come up with something to use them for our journals, and we'll do the makes in the next 2 videos. So I'll put all the links down below, codes, everything, and link to the shop, and check them out. They're really good. They're good quality products, sturdy. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for popping by. See you. Bye.